Hi parents. I just want to spend a bit of time explaining to you what THRASS is to hopefully help you to support your children better. So THRASS means teaching, handwriting, reading and spelling skills. So the letters stand for that. So first of all, it's teaching quite a lot. When we're teaching THRASS, we start off by teaching the letter names. The children understand the letter names A, B, C, D. They also understand that this, when it goes into a word, it becomes a sound. So spelling names are how we spell words, and when it goes into words, it becomes sounds. Here are all the sounds. We have sound boxes, and each one has many of the spelling choices for that sound. And this helps support children a lot because so often when we were younger, we were taught this is a sound, this is a b sound, this is a k sound. And so when we went to write that, we so often went to that one letter to write that sound. And so often that's not the case when we're reading and writing. And so it makes it more difficult. So giving them all the spelling choices will hopefully help them to be able to pick up words quicker. It goes from the most common, so it's the ones that were traditionally taught first, to the least common. So I'm going to talk about the k sound box. So when the kids are spelling and I'm trying to support them with spelling, I'll say, is it k like in kitten, or is it k like in cat, or is it k like in duck? And often writing words down and trying the spelling choices make you go, that doesn't seem right. And often when they're reading and they see this spelling choice, they can associate it with the sound box. So we have k as in cat, k as in kitten, k as in duck, k as in school. And this is one that even as adults, we don't even think of. We just do it automatically. And k as in queen. I know we were so often taught that it's a qu sound, but the qu sound make a k w sound. And so the k comes from the queen and the w comes from the u. So this will help them with their reading and the spelling. When we're spelling, we refer back to the letter names. So if I was spelling the word cat, I would spell it C-A-T, so that they're understanding that is the letter names. Whereas when I'm sounding it out in my words, I'll say k-a-t, the sounds. I hope that helps. You have probably got a chart like this, and it has the letter names at the front and the consonant sounds on one side, and then you flip it over and you have the green section on top and the vowel sounds. I just want to speak about one of these vowel sounds, and it's the sound. And it's a lot of different ways of making the sound. Not the sound, which we often associate with it, or the or sound. So when we say teacher or doctor, we say When we're teaching this to kids of how to spell them, we often emphasize either teacher or doctor, even though that's not the way it's said. So this spelling chart also helps them to understand the different sounds that we've got. So please be aware of the sounds and get them to say the words properly, and that'll hopefully help them with their reading and spelling and speaking skills. I know that's a lot of information, and if I can help you at all, please don't hesitate to get in contact. Have a great day.